Asus ROG Phone 5 passes through Retina revealing some specification and images. The latest gaming flagship from Asus inches closer to the announcement as the phone passes through China's Retina revealing some key specifications and a couple of images of the incoming phone. The ROG Phone 5 tentative name with model number 1005DA will be powered by the Snapdragon 888 chipset and come with a 6000 mAh battery. This battery will consist of two 3000 mAh batteries, hinting at some super fast charging speeds, possibly for a 65-watt charger, which was also mentioned in the phone's 3C certification. The triple cameras will consist of a 64-megapixel main camera, and the backside of the phone will feature a secondary small display. In a previously leaked video, we saw this display in action, showing a preview of the type of incoming notification on the phone. The hype surrounding Asus' next ROG phone is growing by the day, and the latest leak shows us the phone from back to front alongside its new secondary screen. Yes, this year's ROG Phone 5, named still tentative, will have a tiny secondary display on its back which can show different types of patterns and notifications. The two demo uses show alerts for games and incoming calls. The phone will use a 6.78-inch AMOLED screen equipped with an in-display fingerprint scanner. There's no word on whether the screen will use Full HD Plus or QHD Plus resolution, but the phone is expected to use a 144Hz refresh rate. A teaser poster for the new phone revealed the phone may be revealed sometime towards the end of March to mid-April. We also get to see the main screen for a brief second, which confirms the new ROG phone comes with regular top and bottom bezels. Like on the ROG Phone 3, though they appear to be a tad slimmer this time around. The Snapdragon 888 SoC powered ROG Phone 5 will come preloaded with Android 11 OS. The device will draw power through a pair of 3000 mAh batteries, which will offer a total capacity of 6000 mAh. The 3C listing of the device had revealed that its retail package may include a 65-watt fast charger. The curved back panel of the phone has a horizontal triple camera module with a 64-megapixel primary lens. The RGB lit logo seems to be present at the center of the phone's back. However, a secondary display that was seen on a recently leaked video does not seem to be present on the device. Lastly, it has a red color button placed towards the bottom of the left spine. It is yet to be confirmed whether the upcoming gaming smartphone from Asus will be called ROG Phone 5 or ROG Phone 4. Some of the Asian companies are known for skipping the number 4 in the names of their devices as it is considered a bad omen. Hence, it is likely that Asus may launch its next gaming phone with the ROG Phone 5 moniker. ROG Phone 5 gaming phone, according to a well-known blogger, is still a mass-produced engineering machine, so the overall look is rather blurred, but the general appearance can still be seen clearly. The top bezel and bottom bezel are still very large, but the tracking of the game phone is screen honor or dig holes and grooves will affect your game. It's easy to lose focus. The appearance is still very cool. The design of the camera module is also slightly different. It is also more suitable for boys to use. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well.